though, as long as the drought continues, we can expect more wildfires today, no exception.
Fire crews in Gadsden have been fighting a wildfire that's covered more than 30 acres just off of Owls Hollow Road. CBS 42 News reporter Matt Fernandez is covering that for us. He joins us there live. Matt?
Sherry, fire crews still out here as we speak. They've been out here all day and they've had a very busy day. The fire was actually contained, but then the fire actually jumped one of these fire breaks. Then the Alabama Forestry Commission had to come back out here, reinforce the area, and contain the fire once again. And they're still out here working on the fire. Gadsden Fire Assistant Chief Liesl Harrelson says the fire started last night. The fire was around 15 acres and jumped to 30 today. The Alabama Forestry Commission and the fire department working hard together. There are some apartments, some houses, and a fuel distributor nearby. Officials say they are not threatened at this time, but the owner of Brown Oil Company, who distributes fuel, says that safety comes first for them.
Well, the main thing that we've done as a precaution, we've asked our trucks to not come in and either load or offload during the period of time.
And the fire is contained at this time, but there are still flames out here. Fire crews are still working hard into the night. They expect to be out here late into the night. Coming up at 6 o'clock, we'll have much more on this fire. Reporting live, Matt Fernandez, CBS 42 News.